What makes an iPhone 15 dominate Apple's current high-end flagship iPhones are the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, which are available alongside the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. The new versions were released on Friday, September 22nd, so now's a fantastic time to get an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. The 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone 15 Pro Max will survive for many years and will be part of Apple's flagship lineup for the next 12 months, so there's nothing better on the horizon for the majority of the year. The iPhone 15 Pro starts at $999, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at $199. It is Apple's most expensive iPhone. However, it includes a higher-end 5x zoom camera, a larger battery, and a 256 GB storage capacity. If the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are out of your price range, Apple also offers the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. These smartphones share similar characteristics except for the telescopic camera, ProMotion display, and always-on display technology. Apple revealed the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max in September 2023, its next high-end flagship smartphones that would be offered alongside the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. The iPhone 15 Pro versions include enhanced camera technology, a better display, a quicker A17 CPU, and other features not seen in normal iPhone 15 handsets. The iPhone 15 Pro models feature a similar design to the iPhone 14 Pro models and are available in the same 6.1 and 6.7-inch sizes. Instead of stainless steel, Apple is employing a new titanium alloy that is also used in spacecraft, as well as new titanium colors like white, black, natural, and blue. Because titanium weighs less than stainless steel, the iPhone 15 Pro models are lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro models. The titanium has a new matte brush texture and is paired with an aluminum internal frame that increases thermal dissipation and back glass repairability. Apple also improved the design, making the frame more curved and the display bezels much thinner. The front of the iPhone is still shielded by Apple's ceramic shield material, which the company claims is the hardest glass used in a smartphone.